Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you join a group on Roblox. So first of all, just go to your Roblox app. Now into the Roblox app, click the bottom fourth icon, the message icon. And after clicking this option, here you can see in the middle there are two options, chats and groups. Click on groups. And after clicking groups, here you can see there are so many groups that you can join. To join a group, just click on a group like this. And here you can see the option is join group, click on it. So now you need to solve a challenge. It's just a puzzle so that they will ensure you're a real person. And after the challenge is done, here you can see I have successfully joined the group. You can also search for a group in the top search bar. Any group name you want. Just like I'm searching for Game Loft. Here you can see by the name Game Loft there are so many groups. To join a group, just click on a group and click the join group option. And here you can see I have successfully joined another group. So guys, that's how you can join group on Roblox. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.